Have you ever wondered how Polish homes celebrate Easter with vibrant colours and meaningful traditions? Curious about the intricate Pisanki eggs and what they symbolise for spring and renewal? Want to discover how Palm Sunday decorations bring faith, culture and nature together? Looking for Easter decor ideas that feel both deeply traditional and beautifully festive? Stay with us, because today we're exploring Polish Easter decoration ideas featuring Pisanki egg art, Palm Sunday customs and spring traditions that bring warmth and cultural beauty into your home. What makes Polish Easter decor unique? Polish Easter decor blends faith, folklore, and spring symbolism. Decorations often reflect renewal, hope, and spiritual celebration, combining religious traditions with vibrant folk art and seasonal elements. Why are traditions so important in Polish Easter celebrations? Easter in Poland is deeply rooted in family and faith. Decorations aren't just visual, they represent heritage, blessings, and the joy of welcoming spring and new life. If you enjoy learning about beautiful cultural traditions, give this video a like and share it with friends who love Easter decor. What are Pisanki eggs? Pisanki are traditional Polish Easter eggs decorated using wax-resist techniques and intricate patterns. They are symbols of life, rebirth, protection, and prosperity. What designs and colours are common in Pisanki eggs? Geometric patterns, floral motifs, suns, and wheat symbols are common. Bright colours like red, yellow, black and green represent vitality, nature and spiritual protection. Tell us in the comments if you've ever decorated Easter eggs using traditional techniques. How can Pisanki eggs be displayed beautifully? Place them in decorative bowls, nest them in moss, or arrange them in woven baskets. These displays create eye-catching centerpieces filled with symbolism and color. What natural elements enhance egg displays? Green moss, willow branches, straw nests, and fresh flowers highlight the eggs while reinforcing the theme of spring renewal. For more Easter decorating inspiration, check out our playlist in the description below. What is the significance of Palm Sunday in Poland? Palm Sunday marks the beginning of Holy Week and commemorates Christ's entry into Jerusalem. Instead of palm leaves, Polish traditions use handcrafted decorative palms made from dried flowers and branches. What do Polish Palm Sunday palms look like? They are colourful arrangements of dried flowers, grasses, ribbons, and willow branches. These palms symbolise blessing, protection, and the arrival of spring. Subscribe for more cultural and seasonal decor ideas from around the world. Which flowers are popular in Polish Easter decor? Tulips, daffodils, hyacinths, and pussy willow branches are widely used. These flowers represent renewal and bring freshness and brightness into the home. How can flowers be styled in a traditional Polish way? Arrange flowers in ceramic pitchers, folk-style vases, or simple glass jars. Keeping arrangements natural and colourful reflects Polish countryside charm. Love these floral ideas? Find similar decor items linked in the description below. What is the Święconka Easter basket tradition? Święconka is the blessing of Easter baskets filled with symbolic foods like eggs, bread, salt and lamb butter. The basket is decorated with lace cloths and greenery. How can the basket be decorated beautifully? Use embroidered cloths, boxwood sprigs, ribbons and decorated eggs. These details add elegance while honouring tradition. For more decor inspiration like this, explore our similar videos listed in the description. How does Polish folk art influence Easter decorations? Traditional folk patterns, embroidered fabrics, and hand-painted ceramics add cultural richness and vibrant charm to Easter decor. What rustic elements enhance the Polish Easter aesthetic? Natural wood, woven baskets, linen textiles, and handmade accents create warmth and reflect rural traditions. If you enjoy timeless decorating ideas, make sure to subscribe for more inspiration every week. How can you recreate a Polish Easter ambience at home? Combine Pisanki eggs, spring flowers, Palm Sunday arrangements, and folk textiles. The goal is to create a space that feels joyful, meaningful, and connected to heritage. Polish Easter decorations celebrate faith, renewal, and cultural beauty through vibrant Pisanki eggs, Palm Sunday palms, and spring florals. By combining symbolic elements with natural textures and folk artistry, you can create a warm and meaningful Easter atmosphere. Embrace tradition, welcome spring, and let your decor tell a story of renewal and joy. If you enjoyed these Polish Easter decoration ideas, like this video and share it with friends who love cultural traditions. Tell us your favourite Easter tradition or decoration in the comments below.